Good morning and happy Sunday. We're going into another week of this kind of lockdown here at New York State and New York Beef Council. And once again, I wanted to hit the brunch time. It's about 11:20. I've kind of roused the kids. I've already created something today, and it would have taken too long to do the whole thing and cook it off. But I want to show you what I did. And I made a beef sausage and cheddar monkey bread. So monkey bread, let me tell you, I know that there is a lot of the dough, you know, the what do you call the dough? And whatever. But put it this way, I know it was hard for me to find, so I know you got it at home. And I know you had some ground beef, and it's really easy. And this recipe, I kind of changed it around because this recipe has a little bit more of a Mexican flair to it, and I put more of a breakfast sausage flair to it. But I basically used the same ingredients. So, hey, Randy Beach, good morning. This is a nice little breakfast, and Kanalina is watching. I'm so glad people are watching and stuff because let's face it, I'm bored. This is what I'm doing, and I'm feeding my family at the same time. So I got the guinea pig, and I know I got another one around here that needs to be recruited. And she says, no, Mom, I'm not going to eat this. And I said, yes, you are. So here I have some monkey bread, and it was a couple of packages of the Pillsbury dough in the can, a pound of ground beef, plus all the fun spices that you can go ahead and make this Mexican beef style sausage or a breakfast sausage, whatever you prefer. There's some cheddar cheese in here. So I know a lot of you like monkey bread, and they use it with cinnamon and butter and everything. And my dear friend David from Spice Block, he created a bacon cheeseburger monkey bread. Ooh. Yeah. So let's hope this is done. It didn't take long to cook at all. 30 minutes in the oven, and then it was 10 minutes inverted. You're going to have to go to the Instagram stories and our Facebook stories, and I'll show you all of that. Katie Crease is here too. Oh my gosh, we've got an audience. Ooh. And you're looking spectacular. Dragged her out of the shower. Here's my beef. It's what's for dinner spatula.
Okay, plate up.
Oh, look at that. And monkey bread, you're supposed to be able to pull apart. Look it.
I'm just going to try a sliver.
Oh, pulling teeth here. Look at Matt took one for the team. You should see the other guy, right? Look at that hand. So you can eat this with your hands, speaking of. All right, you got any questions, just do a shout out over here because I'm watching, and well, I'm watching you watching us, and we're going to see what this tastes like. Oh, look at, this is my picky eater here. It smells really good, and it's nice and crispy here because you have to really, you have to make sure you have a bunt pan. All right. Evan Darnell's watching. Is it good? Look at me.
Yes. It's.
Go ahead. Here's like the critique here. She'd be awesome. Anybody need a quality assurance taste tester? Madison's your girl. So.
It's very fluffy, airy.
And I gotta tell you.
Very good.
The recipes on Beef It's Once for Dinner, all of them are triple tested. Yes, three. Triple tested, every single one of them. I have true faith in all of them, and I think anyone that I've done in 14 years with the Beef Council have been tried and true. So without a doubt, look at that. Even in the pickiest eater.
Don't look at it.
So without a doubt, this is what's for breakfast or brunch, and they'll be able to nibble on it all day. And even one of my other pickiest eaters, he's in the other room, but I'll get him to taste it as well. So, do you recommend it, girls?
Yes.
What was that?
Yes.
And where should they go for this wonderful, tasty treat? It's right here, in case you forget. It's on that, right there.
New York Beef Council.
Well, New York Beef Council, but what else? What other website?
BeefIsWhat'sForDinner.com.
What is that again?
BeefIsWhat'sForDinner.com.
Woo, what is it?
BeefIsWhat'sForDinner.com. Mom, you were right.
And there you have it. I'm right. Oh! Make sure it's all on video. It's on tape. I'm saving it. Hey, Karen's watching. Karen Guy McGrath. Hi, Karen. How are you? Here, wave. So far away. So, Randy, nice to see your brother isn't getting credit for it. Yeah, my brother's not getting credit for this one, but beef it's what's for dinner definitely is. And like I said, you can go ahead and mix it up. You can follow the recipe. And there's so many variations on what to do with that ground beef. You can make it Mexican flavor. You can make it Italian flavor. You can make it breakfast sausage flavor. It's awesome. So highly, highly recommend it. Karen says, hi, love you guys. Miss you all.
Miss you, Karen.
Woohoo! So definitely you're bored and you got a couple of those dough rolls in the can, which I cannot think of right now because I don't buy rosemary?
Pillsbury?
Pillsbury doughs in the little cans. Yeah.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, I think so. It's in the garbage, but you know, it's one of those that you unravel, and it pops, and you know, they have crescent rolls, so on and so forth. Pillsbury. So there you go. Yes, Randy, looks good, smells even better. And without a doubt, this is what is awesome for breakfast or brunch or lunch or snack. And wait till you see what I'm going to be making tomorrow. A little treat, a little sweet. And I also want to take a quick minute to say we're launching our Best New York Burger Contest on April 1st. So I know we can't get to the restaurants and sit and really savor those burgers, but let's create some crave appeal since everything is curb appeal right now. So have a good one, everyone. Happy brunching, happy Sunday, and let's hope this ends soon. Take it easy. Bye-bye.